Welcome viewer, I am ms. This video tutorial describes, fix ms-gamingoverlay link error on Windows 11. Remove ms-gamingoverlay pop-up easily. First method is turn off game DVR. Second method is change registry settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.